I'm going to quickly go over some of the vocabulary that's going to be in Charlotte's Web, chapter 9, 10, and 11. So, the first word we're going to talk about is the word boast. I know some of my ELA Green friends might remember this from when we were in school. The word boast means to brag, so it means the same thing. If I am boasting about how I got a new bike, this means the same thing as bragging. I'm bragging about it. The next word is neglected. Neglected means not given enough attention. Okay, so if someone is neglected, that means they're not given the attention and care they need. So like if you have a pet, you have to make sure you take care of it. You don't neglect it. So if you were neglecting it, maybe you didn't give it enough food or water or didn't spend any time with it, then you would be neglecting your pet. The next word is gullible. Gullible means easy to fool. So if somebody is gullible, that means they're pretty easy to fool. They're kind of naive. They might believe you even if you're lying to them. The next word is crisis. A crisis is a time of danger, trouble, or difficulty. So like when there's a natural disaster, like a hurricane or an earthquake, a lot of people are in a time of crisis. That means there's a lot of danger. Things are really bad for them. If someone's house burns down, if there's a fire, then that's a crisis. Anything that's like really bad, a time when it's like really scary, would be considered a crisis. The next word is bewildered. Bewildered means like surprised or confused. So if something happens and you're really shocked by it and you don't really understand it, you might be bewildered. And the last word is miracle, which means an extraordinary event. So if someone says it was a miracle, that means it was amazing. They just can't believe it happened. Not something that normally happens, and it's an extraordinary event. So those are the words. You have a matching to do on Seesaw for those vocabulary words. And then you can watch chapters 9, 10, and 11, Mrs. Howe reading them. It's a long video, so you might want to take a break in between. Maybe break it up, watch it 2 or 3 times because it's about a half an hour. And then you have a few questions for comprehension for those chapters on Seesaw. I can't wait to see all your work. Bye, friends.